Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to close bank accounts safely. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply close your bank account safely, you need to first of all open a new account first. You need to open a new account and transfer all the payment that are in that particular bank account. When you need to transfer your automatic payments and direct deposits, leave a small buffer and then request closure in writing or in person, ensuring you receive written confirmation. Now you can destroy all your old checks and cards and confirm a zero balance after the final transaction. So you can simply call your bank to simply close your account safely. You can simply get a confirmation in a written format, whether by a letter or email stating the account is closed with zero balance. Then you can check your statement for at least a month after closing to confirm no new charges or deposits occur. So this is how you can close your bank account safely. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.